Okay, what's up my dudes? We're going to do a fuel filter change here. According to procedure, there's no priming procedure, so I know that there's probably some videos where you'll see someone prime the canister. We're not going to do that. We'll follow the instructions. So first you'll need T25 socket. So you're going to want to get some rags, because when we undo this, a little bit of diesel is going to come out. Now if you're doing this at the same time, you know, makes sense when you're doing an oil change. You can, I still have the car up on ramps and the skid plate underneath is still removed, so you can put your oil catch can, your drain can, whatever you drain your oil into, right down there, so that way if something does run down, it goes into the can. Probably a good idea. Let's get some rags, and so you want to make sure clean hands. Okay, so let's just put some of this on here and here and here. Sort of encapsulate the filter housing and be ready to catch the mess. Oh, okay. There'll be a little bit of suction there when you pop that. So, but you see how full that is? Okay, so we're going to try to okay. So there we go. So let the fuel drain out of that guy. Okay. So the procedure says that you just replace the filter and you don't prime the system by pouring more diesel back in there. So we're not going to do that. Okay. Some guys do. If it's not calling for it, I ain't doing it. Alright, so now we have our new filter, and the old filter was smaller for whatever reason. We replaced it when I had this service before at the dealership. They I guess they just use some aftermarket filter. Okay, so that absorbs the filter. So sorry, I know it's sort of hard to get the camera. So that's the new filter. Make sure clean. Okay, it's got the new O-ring on there. That's the old O-ring. You can see the holes will go down in there. Boom. Okay, tighten it back up. Okay. All right, we'll fire her up. I expect it to sort of not be the happiest thing in the world for a minute or two, but the pump will pump fuel, air will be pumped out. Now I gotta sort of try to do this in a clean way because I ain't getting in my wife's car with my garage clothes. That's for damn sure. Dude, fire right up. Cool. So that's where we be. Fuel filter's done. Like I said, good idea to do when you do this, to do it when you do an oil change, and keep your skid plate off. Put your drain, your oil drain can, whatever, oil pan, oil catcher can. Yeah. Anyway, put that under there, so because when you take that out, there's gonna be a bit of diesel. Someone's gonna know. Wrap that thing in rags. Keep everything nice and clean. New filter in. Tighten it back up. Start it up. You're good to go. So I'm just gonna finish buttoning up this. Put all this stuff back together. And wifey's car is serviced. Okay. There you go. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a good one.